basketball? What are they playing? Volleyball or basketball?
There is no sport anymore, sir. We're kind of closing the intramurals already. You know the.
Oh yeah, but what sports? What you playing some sports? No.
They just finished the volleyball.
Oh, volleyball. Okay.
Yes.
Right. I hear us screaming all day and all night.
Yes.
Say hello to the world. I have a YouTube channel called Amazing Philippines.
Oh.
Amazing Philippines. Say hello. All right.
Thank you.
All right. Say hello.
Hi.
So there was intramural sports contests, tournaments going on for about 3 days in a sports complex just outside my bedroom window. And I'll show you where that was just in a bit and some other noise sources. So that's the sports barangay place. Now I'm going to take you on a walk over in Mandaue.
Rico's Lechon and Doris Diner seafood buffet over there. You give me money. You give me money. I'm walking. I don't have any money. I'm walking because I don't have money.
I don't think they believed me, but they didn't continue following me down the street. Anyway, we're right across the street from
there's Parkmall.
Parkmall.
Right next to Parkmall, Harrison Park. And that larger area is called Jamestown. Harrison Park is kind of a food and drinking area. I guess they've got one at IT Park and probably a couple other places. Jamestown, I'm not sure. There's a restaurant, looks like there's a restaurant, Chinese restaurant back in there. Chunghwa Hospital and Mandaue, and then just down the street, the block is, hello,
a medical center that you can go into as well. And I'm going to walk down here. There's a bar area.
MO2 Annex, Family KTV and Billiards. They used to have a disco upstairs. So loud it was painful. I was in there one time. Too many. Discos are not my kind of place. Sorry. There's a bar where those doors are closed. Security tells me they open at 7 o'clock. And then they, I don't know what time the band starts, if it's every night or just weekends. MO2, I think they have one in Iloilo. A band up there. They used to put the band up there, I think, but they changed it. Lots of empty Red Horse. I didn't realize all this. Okay, this goes back to this is Cebu West Town Lagoon. It's a water park. I've done a video there. I'll put a link to that video at the end of this video. And there is I think that is part of their hotel, I think that's part of their hotel. And the hotel pool, or is that part that's all connected to the water park? All right. I'm gonna stick my nose in here. Get just a little bit of video.
I think the security told me the water park opens from 7 in the morning. That sounds too early. Don't take my word for that. 7 to 7. But I think the bar back there, MO2, I think they opened before 7 because I've been there before 7 p.m. just walking. Stopped in for a drink, and it was before 7. Definitely, it was still light out. Anyway, pretty big area. I've been told that on weekends the dance floor at MO2 gets very crowded. They get a huge crowd. So if you're in the mood, if you're a dancer.
Across the street is the UC Medical Arts Building. Sign over there, soon to rise. 6-story parking building. So maybe they're going to take that old building down. I don't know. The market. The market. Maintained 6 feet apart.
There's a number of food courts like this that have risen up over the last couple of years. Well, not so much during the lockdowns, but after that, when things started loosening up. And this is actually part of the Cebu Mercado group, apparently, this sign says. Cebu Mercado is an IT park. I think they're open Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, about 5 p.m. till midnight or even later if they've got a crowd of people. And I'll put a map up. Over to Google Maps, I'll show you where I walked and something here. So here is, I'm at Mandaue City, and City Times Square here. I did a previous video, a number of videos there, in fact, when they were very busy. But there's another one listed here. There's a City Times Square listed here. Now, is that actually exist? Is there another City Times Square? Or my understanding is just about anybody can put place maps on these maps. Normally, my experience in the U.S. is that you're supposed to give them address of your business, and they send you a postcard, and you need to send that postcard back to verify that that is where your business actually is. I had a noise control business in the USA, and I know I had to do that to get a place marker. Anyway, let's see. I'm gonna bring you down here. These are the 2 bridges, 2 of 3 bridges going over to Mactan Island, where the international airport is. Mandaue City, J Center Mall is where the main immigration office is. You got Banilad up here, Gaisano Country Mall over across the street over here. I cut that out, I think. Anyway, let me zoom in a little bit. I am walking. You have Parkmall here, across the street, City Times Square, kind of a mall. Got a buffet back in there. You've got Cebu Doctors Hospital, Chunghwa Hospital. Here you've got UC Medical Center down here. And anyway, let me zoom in here, show you where I was and some of the other sites along the way as well. So you've got, City Times Square. Walking down this street, you had Rico's Lechon right here. It's not listed here yet. Nobody's listed that. Okay, here it is, Rico's Lechon. And next to that, Doris Diner, which is a seafood place, big seafood place. You walk down here, you got Chunghwa Hospital. You got Harrison Park, which I pointed out. Harrison Park, kind of a drinking, maybe eating place. I'm not sure. It says grill there. Down here a little bit farther, you got Moonlight Inn. That is a short time hotel. I've never been in there, but it's a short time hotel. Then you have the MO2 Resto Bar down here, and the Annex KTV bar. They've got lots of KTV karaoke rooms in there. You can rent out, and you can buy various foods and drinks in there. And then you have Cebu West Town, a lagoon. I've done many years ago. I did a video in there. And let me just hit this other link here. And you see the more realistic. They've got the pools here where I walked back off the street. So you got the bar area here, and back in here the KTV bars, the water park. kind of interesting if you're into that kind of thing. And then here was the market by Sugbo Mercado. And then a number of truck trailer yards down here as well, here and back here. So aren't we lucky to have the access to online maps? I use a mapping app on my phone called maps.me. It's called maps.me, the letters M as in Mary, E as in Edward. And I like that. Sometimes I jump over, use Google Maps like I am here. And there is now open the third bridge that goes from South Road Properties in South Cebu City over to Cordova, Mactan Island. So thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.